Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your university handbook. This essential guide is crucial for navigating your academic journey, providing clear answers to many questions you will encounter. It covers everything from academic policies to student services, truly empowering you with knowledge. Finding it easily can save you a significant amount of time and reduce any potential stress. The primary method for accessing your university handbook is typically through the official university website. You should begin by visiting your institution's main homepage. From there, look for a prominent section, often labeled Current Students or Academics, which usually hosts important student resources. Within these sections, search for a clear link that says University Handbook, Student Handbook, or Policies and Procedures. If you are having trouble finding the handbook directly, the university website's search bar is your best friend. Try entering keywords such as Student Handbook, University Policies, or Academic Catalog to quickly narrow down your search results. Most often, the handbook will be presented as a downloadable PDF file, making it easy to save and refer to offline whenever you need it. This convenient format ensures constant access. When the Zobo has finished simmering, take the pot off the heat. Allow the entire mixture to cool down to room temperature, which might take about 1 hour. Next, carefully strain the liquid using a fine mesh sieve or a clean cheesecloth into a large, clean pitcher or bowl. Discard all the solids, you only want the vibrant liquid. Now, add your desired sweetener, perhaps a half cup of sugar or some honey, stirring well until it completely dissolves into the Zobo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.